Hi everyone, it's Lindsay. In this video, I want to share with you how to use my free printable greeting cards. So if you didn't know, whenever you sign up for my newsletter, which you can do on my blog, you receive every once in a while free digital stamps in those newsletters. Now, whenever I send out those digital stamps, I also create a color mock-up just to show how the colors can layer up on the stamp and what it looks like colored in. Now, I wasn't doing anything with these, and I thought I would go ahead and throw them on my blog as free printables as a greeting card, just for those times when you just need to print something out, stick a sentiment on it, and go. Now, to use these, all you need to do is print them onto cardstock with a LaserJet or an inkjet printer. It really doesn't matter, and then follow the instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and cut on all of the dotted lines around this card base. So the printable cards I am giving you are 5x7. However, you can also find just the image. So if you wanted to print this out and just use it as a piece of artwork, you can do that as well in any size you want, or you can take that image and throw it onto your own card base, however, whatever size you want to make it. So I'm cutting across all of these lines, like I said, just lining this up in my paper trimmer. If you do not have a paper trimmer, you can easily use scissors and just cut along those dotted lines. Now, once that is done, you're going to be left with this sheet of paper, but we need to go ahead and put our fold in. Now, to make mine fold a little bit easier and a little bit more cleanly, I am going to score my line in my paper trimmer with my bone folder right in the center where that light gray line is. Once this is folded, you won't see that line. If you do not have a paper trimmer or a score pal and a bone folder, don't worry about it. Just fold it in half and line it up, and then use a credit card or something with a nice flat edge to give this a really sharp fold. I'm using my bone folder, and then this card is ready to go. Now, because I used my LaserJet printer, which uses heat, it does have a little bit of curve to it. What I do is run this through my laminator. You can also put it under something heavy overnight, and that will flatten it out. There's a closer look at what the back of the card looks like, and then here is the front all ready to go. Like I said, these are 5x7, but you will also find just the front of the card that you can use for just printable artwork or make it whatever size you want to on your projects. That's going to do it for me today. Thanks for watching. The link to the freebies to my blog is going to be in the description box below. Happy crafting, everyone!